Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the ADATA DDR5 5600MHz 32GB SODIMM, a memory module designed to breathe new life into your laptop. This isn't just any RAM. It's a high-speed, high-capacity upgrade aimed at users who demand the best performance from their portable machines. First impressions matter, and the ADATA module arrives in a no-frills OEM pack. While it might not win any awards for fancy packaging, it signals that the focus is on what truly counts: performance and value. Inside, you'll find a single 32GB DDR5 SODIMM stick ready to be installed. The headline feature here is, of course, the 5600MHz speed. This is a significant step up from older DDR4 modules and even some slower DDR5 options. The higher clock speed translates to faster data transfer rates, which can noticeably improve system responsiveness, application loading times, and overall multitasking performance. Beyond the speed, this ADATA module boasts a CL46 latency. While lower latency is generally preferred, the sheer speed of DDR5 often compensates for slightly higher timings. In real-world use, the combination of 5600MHz and CL46 delivers a snappy and responsive experience. One of the key advantages of DDR5 technology is its improved power efficiency. The ADATA module incorporates a built-in power management IC, PMIC, which helps to regulate voltage and reduce power consumption. This is particularly important for laptops, where battery life is a crucial consideration. The PMIC ensures that the memory operates efficiently, minimizing its impact on overall power draw. Another notable feature is the on-die error correcting code, ECC. This technology helps to detect and correct errors that may occur during data transfer, enhancing system stability and reliability. While not a replacement for full ECC memory found in servers, on-die ECC provides an extra layer of protection against data corruption, which is always a welcome addition. Installing the ADATA DDR5 SODIMM is a straightforward process, assuming you're comfortable opening up your laptop. Most modern laptops have easily accessible memory slots, and the installation typically involves simply inserting the module into the slot and securing it with the retaining clips. However, it's always a good idea to consult your laptop's manual for specific instructions. In terms of performance, the ADATA DDR5 5600MHz module delivers a tangible boost. Applications load noticeably faster, multitasking becomes smoother, and even demanding tasks like video editing and gaming benefit from the increased memory bandwidth. For users who frequently work with large files or run memory-intensive applications, this upgrade can be a game changer. The 32GB capacity is also a major selling point. This is ample memory for most users, allowing you to run multiple applications simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns. It's also a future-proof investment, ensuring that your laptop can handle the demands of upcoming software and applications. Compared to other DDR5 SODIMM options on the market, the ADATA module offers a compelling combination of performance, capacity, and value. While there are faster modules available, they often come at a significantly higher price. The ADATA strikes a good balance, providing excellent performance without breaking the bank. Of course, compatibility is always a concern when upgrading memory. Before purchasing, it's essential to ensure that your laptop supports DDR5 memory and that the ADATA module is compatible with your specific model. Check your laptop specifications or consult the manufacturer's website for compatibility information. Overall, the ADATA DDR5 5600MHz 32GB SODIMM is an excellent upgrade for laptops that support DDR5 memory. Its high speed, ample capacity, and power-efficient design make it a compelling choice for users who demand the best performance from their portable machines. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or simply a power user, this memory module can significantly enhance your laptop experience. It's a worthwhile investment that can extend the lifespan of your laptop and keep it running smoothly for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.